Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, just one glance at that chart, and it screams at you not to even bother getting in on this. So, we did have some data come out yesterday, nothing spectacular, good or bad, to be honest. So, there was a bit of movement. There is a lot of chatter around inflation at the moment, and we also have non-farm payrolls today. So, expect another basically directionless day, I would assume. So we are stuck between the two levels that I gave you yesterday. Actually, we've had those levels most of the week, but we did break below it, and the buyers did step in. But at the same time, we have broken this channel. So just moving down to the lower time frames, that's what we're looking for at the moment. If you look at the oscillators here, sort of absolutely nowhere, sort of drifting up to the top again, far apart. No real direction there, but here we go, big down, big up, pin bar gaps. The trend is up, but we are making short-term lower lows here. But we could argue that we are printing a wedge. So much happening at the moment. But this is typical of a market that is confused. So look at what happened yesterday. Moved down, closed these gaps. Could we get to this little gap here? Nope, we missed this gap. And there's another one a little bit further down. There's one right there. So we missed all that, but we immediately reversed off that back to the top. So that is directionless as far as I'm concerned. If we look at the hour, this could play. So in other words, we formed a wedge, we've broken the wedge, we've come back to test the wedge, and now we're looking for a move up. Could very well play out at the moment, but I think the key one to watch is the weekly. And let's just delete all the noise, and that'll give us a fairly good understanding of what's going on. So at the moment we are basically going nowhere, and you're probably going to find that weekly support there is what the bears are trying to get through, and that's what the bulls are trying to hold. But there's no real direction, simple as that. So for me, this is a continuation of just sitting and waiting for the data to come out and then seeing which direction we're going in. It's a proper tug of war at the moment, and I don't really want to get involved in it, to be honest. It's you can see why you don't want to short this. Any sort of structure is bought immediately, and that was a big move up. So that was 270 points. So that's a fairly decent move to the upside, and look what we're doing already. So are we anticipating another move up? So in other words, move up, consolidate, second leg up, or we just come into the top of the channel, or range, should I rather say, and we're looking for another move to the downside. Either or. There's no real direction for me at the moment. So we'll wait for structure. Probably not even going to bother with a trade today. I haven't placed a trade at once this week. So we'll wait and see. I think if I do see something with non-farm payrolls, then I'll let you know on the Telegram channel. But it's pointless trying to short this at the moment. There's unless you're going to scalp it. And it's actually pointless trying to go long, because same thing, you just might as well be looking for scalps. Okay, so this is kind of mixed bag, not really interested in it until we get out of this structure. And the structure to the upside is 34,680, and to the downside 34,370. Anyway guys, I hope that helps you somewhat, and be very careful of what happens today. There is still quite a bit of data to come out. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.